Envision a barrier so vast it snakes across mountains for over 13,000 miles, built from the bones of millions, standing as a silent sentinel against hordes that could topple dynasties. The Great Wall of China, not a single structure but a labyrinth of fortifications, was born from paranoia and genius. Its construction claiming lives equivalent to entire cities, yet it failed to halt the very invasions it was meant to stop. In the warring chaos of ancient China around 221 BC, Qin Shi Huang unified the fractured states into the First Empire, but nomadic Xiongnu raiders from the north threatened his fragile realm. These horse archers, masters of hit-and-run tactics, pillaged borders, demanding a defense beyond armies. Qin ordered the linking of existing walls, earthen ramparts from the warring states era, into a continuous bulwark. This wasn't just military, it was ideological, symbolizing the emperor's mandate from heaven to protect the civilized world from barbarians. But the human cost escalated immediately. Over 400,000 workers, many convicts and conscripts, toiled under brutal conditions, their deaths woven into legends of bones mixed with mortar. As building progressed, engineering hurdles mounted. In rugged terrains like the Yanshan Mountains, workers used rammed earth, layers of soil compacted between wooden frames, for flexibility against earthquakes. But in deserts, they resorted to reed bundles and sand. Watchtowers every few hundred yards allowed signal fires using wolf dung for black smoke to alert garrisons miles away. Yet, supply lines stretched thin. Workers hauled stones via wheelbarrows, invented for the project, facing starvation and exposure. Rebellion simmered as families lost sons, fueling the Qin's downfall after just 15 years. But the wall's foundation endured. Dynasties rose and fell, each adding layers. The Han dynasty, 206 BC to 20 AD, extended it westward to guard Silk Road trade, introducing beacon systems and garrison towns where soldiers farmed to self-sustain. But breaches occurred. In 144 BC, Xiongnu overran sections, exposing vulnerabilities. The narrative darkens with the Sui dynasty's 581 AD rebuilds, claiming another million lives amid canal projects, leading to overthrow. Then the Ming dynasty of 1368-1644 erected the most iconic brick-faced segments we see today. After Mongol invasions toppled the Yuan, Emperor Zhu Wenjiang, haunted by northern threats, mobilized 200,000 troops and civilians for decades, using kiln-fired bricks bonded with sticky rice mortar for unmatched durability. Challenges intensified in Ming times. In frozen winters, workers chiseled ice blocks. In scorching summers, heat stroke felled thousands. Strategic passes like Jiayuguan featured multi-layered gates with murder holes for boiling oil. Yet, betrayal often undid the wall. Generals like Wu Sangui opened Shanhai Pass in 1644, allowing Manchu invaders to end the Ming. Culturally, it divided worlds. Inside, agrarian Han society. Outside, nomadic steppes. Folk tales of Lady Mengjiang, whose tears collapsed a section revealing her husband's bones, underscore the tragedy. Despite failures, like Genghis Khan's 1211 circumvention, the wall projected power, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. Its 25-foot height and 20-foot width allowed 5 horses abreast, but maintenance waned post-Ming, with sections crumbling until 20th century restorations. In retrospect, the Great Wall embodies humanity's futile quest for absolute security. A monumental sacrifice that unified China psychologically more than physically. Today, it's a UNESCO site, drawing 10 million visitors yearly. Its restored beacons lit for ceremonies. If this somber saga of stone and sorrow resonated, subscribe to uncover more feats that forged our past.